The Vice-Chancellor, Professor Nyaudo Ndayo, cordially invites the university community and the general public to the 116th Inaugural Lecture of the University of Uyo, to be delivered by Idongesedin Difreke-Abasiudosen, a professor of Educational Technology, Department of Educational Technology, Faculty of Education, University of Uyo, titled From Classroom to Cyberspace, the ICT Experiential Learning Pedagogy for Skill Development. Date, Thursday, August 14th, 2025. Time, 3 o'clock p.m. Venue, 1,000-seated Saxophone Auditorium, University of Uyo Main Campus, Maniba Road, Uyo. Guests are to be seated by 2:45 p.m. Mrs. Blossom Okorie, Registrar and Secretary to Senate. Announcer